Today, I decided to make some car ramps from some old bed rails. I'm cutting off the slat supports, but I will reuse them. I cut my boards at 90 degrees. But, honestly, you could save yourself a step by cutting some 45s here. It's starting to look like something. Next, I need some stop blocks. It's time to put it together. I want to stagger the end just to give it more stability. My boards are 48 inches, 36 inches, 24 inches, and 15 inches long. I didn't want the ramp to be too steep. I'm thinking maybe I should have put some glue here, on the stop block. But it should be okay. Here I'm putting some pan head screws, just to help with traction. Okay. Just about done. A couple coats of paint, and they are ready to go.